Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Play-Doh Cafe is probably one of the most creative and fun playsets for kids who love to get hands-on. This set lets them mold and create their own pretend treats, from colorful cookies to silly sandwiches. With various tools and vibrant Play-Doh colors, it sparks imagination and provides hours of entertainment. Get ready to dive into a world of culinary creativity where kids can explore, experiment, and express themselves through the joy of play. Number 5. Play-Doh Spiral Fries Playset. This toy French fry maker twists out spiral or wavy Play-Doh fries. Watch as they come out of the see-through machine. It's a fun way to create pretend play food. Squeeze silly straight-cut fries from the fry box. You can also slice up some crazy crinkle-cut fries with the knife, and stamp wacky waffle fries with the mold. It offers many ways to play. Add pretend ketchup or hot sauce with the red Play-Doh drizzle bottle. Sprinkle pretend salt and herbs on top with the grinder for more ways to decorate. It's all about customization. Make green Play-Doh veggie fries, orange Play-Doh carrot fries, or crazy multicolor fries. It comes with cans of red, orange, yellow, green, and brown. The colors are vibrant and fun. The plastic hot dog bun and the basket let them show off the pretend play kitchen creations. It's perfect for imaginative play and creating a whole meal. This set is a great gift. What we like. This set lets you create amazing spiral fries with a twist. It comes with a variety of toppings, allowing you to customize your creations. If you like to make your own fast food restaurant, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The Play-Doh ice cream maker is a hit. It comes with a variety of tools and colors. The set includes a lot of accessories. Number 4. Play-Doh Rising Cake Oven Bakery Playset. Introducing the Play-Doh Kitchen Creations Rising Cake Oven Bakery Playset. This fun set lets kids create and decorate their own Play-Doh cakes. It's a great way for them to express their creativity. The set is designed for kids 3 years and up. It's easy to use and provides hours of imaginative fun. They can make all sorts of colorful creations. The set comes with 5 non-toxic Play-Doh colors. This gives them plenty of options to make their cakes look amazing. It's a perfect gift for any young baker. With this set, they can mold, bake, and decorate their own Play-Doh cakes. It's a fun and engaging activity that encourages creativity. They will love it. The Play-Doh compound is non-toxic, making it safe for kids to play with. This ensures parents can have peace of mind while their children enjoy the set. It's a great choice for creative play. What we like. This set features a rising cake action that's super fun to watch. It includes multiple colors of Play-Doh, so you can create colorful cakes. If you are looking for a simple and engaging play set, this one is perfect. What people say. The Play-Doh ice cream maker is a hit. It comes with a variety of tools and colors. The set includes molds for different treats. Number 3. Play-Doh Ice Cream Truck Playset. Introducing the Play-Doh Kitchen Creations Ultimate Ice Cream Truck. This amazing playset lets kids create their own colorful ice cream treats. It's perfect for sparking creativity and imaginative play. With 27 accessories, this set has everything needed to make a variety of Play-Doh ice cream creations. There are molds, tools, and more to keep the fun going for hours. It's a complete package for any young ice cream enthusiast. The set includes 12 cans of non-toxic Play-Doh in various colors. This ensures safe and creative fun for children aged 3 and up. They can mix and match colors to create unique ice cream flavors. This ice cream truck is designed as a food truck, adding to the imaginative play experience. It encourages kids to role-play and create their own ice cream shop scenarios. It's a fun and engaging toy for any child. This Play-Doh set is ideal for preschoolers and older children. It helps develop fine motor skills and encourages creativity. It's a great gift for any child who loves to play and create. What we like. This is the ultimate ice cream truck experience with tons of accessories. It comes with 12 cans of Play-Doh, offering endless creative possibilities. If you have a child who loves ice cream and imaginative play, this set is a must-have. What people say. The Play-Doh ice cream maker is a hit. It comes with a variety of tools and colors. The set includes a waffle maker, ice cream cones, and other accessories. Number 2. Play-Doh Cookie Baking Playset. This set includes a toy mixer, rolling pin, and all the Play-Doh colors needed for a baking party. It's designed to spark your little one's imagination in the kitchen. What delicious creations will they make? The toy mixer spins and stamps out different Play-Doh treats. Use the half molds to decorate them. It's a fun and interactive way for kids to play and create. The set comes with 15 cans of Play-Doh, including confetti colors, brown, pink, and classic colors. It provides plenty of options for kids to get creative with their baking. This Play-Doh cookie baking playset is a great gift for kids who love to play pretend chef. It's perfect for children aged 3 and up, encouraging creativity and imaginative play. This arts and crafts kit lets children make their own play food. It's a fun way for kids to be part of the kitchen and enjoy creative play. It's one of the most fun toddler toys. The packaging is easy to open and recyclable. The Play-Doh cans and lids are also recyclable, making it a more sustainable choice. It's designed with both fun and the environment in mind. What we like. This set includes a toy mixer with spinning action to make your own cookies. It features confetti Play-Doh for extra fun. If you are looking for a fun and creative set with easy open packaging, this is the one for you. What people say. The Play-Doh ice cream maker is a hit. It comes with a variety of tools and colors. The set includes a waffle maker, ice cream cones, and other accessories. Number 1. Play-Doh Ice Cream Truck Playset. Welcome to the sweetest playtime in town. This Play-Doh ice cream truck is ready to roll. It's packed with fun for everyone. Kids will love creating their own ice cream treats. They can make cones, sandwiches, and sundaes. The possibilities are endless with this playset. This playset is designed for easy storage. The back holds all the accessories and cans. It also folds up for compact storage. The set comes with 5 vibrant Play-Doh colors. They are pink, white, orange, blue, and green. It's all non-toxic and ready for fun. With 20 tools and 5 colors, they can create a variety of treats. Kids can make many different combinations of Play-Doh ice cream. It's a fun gift for kids. This Play-Doh ice cream truck is perfect for kids aged 3 and up. It's about 13 inches wide and 12 inches tall. It's a great gift for any occasion. What we like. This set is designed as an ice cream truck, making playtime even more fun. It has a space to store all the pieces and folds up for easy storage. If you like a playset with many combinations, this is a great choice. What people say. The Play-Doh ice cream maker is a hit. It comes with a variety of tools and colors. The set includes molds for different treats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.